sign of weakness, nor as a sign of lack of faith. Rather, it is the price of love. Hallelujah. Okorera tabyo okoro kinga tobwati kwegena gosenga goro moreu yaya okorera nerigo ryogwakana lyagento kiminto yobwanchani kwabwatase olyogotigire igekero okorera igokoro kyobwanchani bwao asoyoruro. It is okay to mourn because Jesus himself wept. Mwenyoretakera goika tabu kerikyo okoro kwa batomwa igo Yesu agoika sembere ya Lazaro inki akorete akarera igo abasaja murenseye abamogo kiria majiga mwanya mitago chinda yasoki gocha isiko na Nyasaye bwo yakonyo mungino ken akonye ken barero mwana obo abana bamwabo barere na kinabahereri bagama ngamba nyore tisa bareko bakwanera na Nyasaye bwo bisyo no morembe no busera atenene nkeya kare korera. Amina. Okuna kwa sabagwa ito. We are here to encourage you. If you want to cry, please cry.
Get the point. Take a step forward.